Determine the open intervals of the domain for which each function is increasing, decreasing, and constant. This particular function, we're looking to where it is increasing, decreasing, and constant. For me, I can see three separate intervals of things happening here. So basically, right here is something changing, and right here something is changing. On the interval from here forward, that function is increasing. The y values are going upward, so they're increasing in number. The reason I know that is like it starts at y equals 1, and then when x goes to the next point, we're at y equals 2. Then when x goes to the next point, we're at y equals 3. So the y values are increasing on that particular interval. So I am increasing on the interval from 3 to positive infinity. Notice I didn't include the 1 there. The 1 is a y value. We're not asking what's happening with the y. The y is increasing. We want to know where on the x the y values are increasing. So it's just from the value 3 to positive infinity. Now over here I can see that my function is decreasing. The y values are getting smaller and smaller. So that's happening along the x from negative infinity up to this particular point, which looks like it's at negative 3. So we're decreasing from negative infinity to negative 3. And then we're constant in between there. So on this interval right here from negative 3 to positive 3, we are constant. Now, some of you may wonder why I didn't include the positive 3 in increasing and decreasing and constant. Just use open intervals. I've actually seen different textbooks answer these questions differently. And I just adopt the convention of just always answering with open intervals because in the end it doesn't really make a whole lot of difference.